Today we talk about how can you accept quests on your Discord app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, so you just go down here, click on you down here, and you just click on you. It's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. You go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this in this list here. You just scrolling down here until you will find here quests. Click on it. So then here can you accept your quest here. When you just click on accept, then it's going to accept with you here. When you click here on accept, then you will find here view requirements here, and here can you if you want to select a platform to get started, quiz on desktop, on quiz on console here, can you select. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.